Just one thing, again, Bitcoin can go to 120,000, or that could be the top. I don't know. Every single day, I look for more information that helps me determine what's the most likely scenario. But I will make a statement. I think that there's going to be tons of altcoins. I keep seeing people say X altcoin is still X% from its all-time high. We haven't even started. I think tons of altcoins are not going to come anywhere near their all-time high this run. I just don't think it's going to happen. And, some obviously will. Sol got close, and, Ethereum got fairly close. But, some of these names, pick on ADA, just because ADA has been underperforming. Is ADA going to see an all-time high this cycle? I really don't think so. If I'm a betting man, I'm putting my money on nope. I don't think we're going to see an alt cycle, an alt market, the way that people think in the past. I don't think that, again, that's just, a little bit of my gut and a guess, but there's so many of these coins. I mean, even Link. What does Link need to get to all-time high? It's not quite as preposterous of a percentage needed. But you also have to keep in mind supplies have changed on a lot of these coins. Some coins, I think Sol is one of them, hits all-time high in market cap, not in price. What does that mean? That means there's more coins. So that's a factor as well. That's, you can't just say, again, I don't know the Link metrics here, but, well, Link was 53 back then, so we're going to blow through 53 this cycle. What's the outstanding coins back then compared to now? Because if it's twice as many, and again, I doubt it is, but if it were twice as many, that would mean, getting to 27 means we would be at all-time highs comparatively. So just be aware that, don't take anything for granted in these markets. And I do believe that the stock market sentiment is going to greatly help us pinpoint some tops in crypto. I know I'm the bummer. I'm the guy that if everybody's bullish, I'm going to be the contrarian saying, hey, just be aware of this. And same thing in the other direction as well. It's ingrained as, part of my role as a content creator is to give the other perspective, to just ensure we're not in groupthink and getting ourselves into trouble with everybody looking in one direction. Same thing with the ETFs. Everybody's bullish the ETFs. I'm letting you all know, I promise that you are all going to really dislike these ETFs in a bear market, because the ETFs are going to put downward pressure on Bitcoin, and people are going to be using hundreds of millions of dollars and leverage to short these ETFs and cause outflows and downward pressure. I saw it with cannabis. Again, it's very different, but the ETF comes in, we're running in all-time highs, everything's benefiting, everybody loves the ETF. Bear market, the ETF drives things to the dirt. Everybody hated the ETF in this pullback. I promise you, watch. I'll gotta pull this clip up. There will be a time when sentiment for Bitcoin ETFs is people are really sick of it and don't like the ETFs. It will be the exact opposite of what we've seen over the last month. Thanks for the support. Just ensure, again, we can very easily see new all-time highs in Bitcoin. You want to see the broader market hit all-time highs, and you want to see the retracement remain in a bull flag at this point in time. That is the case. Again, I'm not calling a top. I'm just saying that even if Bitcoin does go to 120,000, there will still be altcoins that are nowhere near their all-time high. LTC, again, one of the last to pump. Pumps up, marks the sector top. It's just a lead. Look at LTC, BTC. Is there anything here telling you that things are changing? Nope. You get the big bounce. Can we confirm a daily uptrend? No. We just give it all back. Big green day. Can we confirm any kind of uptrend? Nope. We just give it all back. As long as that keeps happening, these are just little short-term pump and dumps. So just mark these lower highs. If we're not breaking these lower highs on LTC, BTC, then LTC USD is not going to go very far. And right now, bear flag just confirmed. The weekly retracement on Litecoin, much more significant. Litecoin right now can go up plus 30% and form, well, maybe not, plus 25% and form a weekly lower high. A lot of space has been created for that. Again, is Litecoin going to go back to all-time highs? I don't think so this cycle. But yeah, it's just the bears are back on top of it and back into full control. And the only way that that will shift is if LTC, BTC does something on the longer term time frames. But in this moment, we are on the verge of testing the weakest that Litecoin has ever been to Bitcoin ever. APT's having a good day, right? Yeah. So definitely a lead alt bull with this recovery. We had a tightening range break bull. So high, low, double top, higher low, lower high. Got right down to support. Finally broke resistance. So now we've got space. Next time we consolidate, anything above 1353 will be a 4-hour higher low. In terms of next resistance, 1674 is a key level. And then we're looking up at 1674 is the current battleground. And we are knocking on the door of that level. Let's see what APT's BTC chart looks like. Progress. Follow through. Strongest it's been in months. So this is what Litecoin and ADA and all these other weaker altcoins have to see happen.